the beach in the winter. Look at that. Ooh.
Mix up the sand with it. That's why you see the sand.
Is that cool?
This is ice.
Is that cool, Ate? We can walk on the beach. We can walk on the beach. Is that cool? We can walk on the beach. Wow.
We are walking on water right now.
Is that cool? Mountain of snow. Aray ko. Aray. Yeah. Madulas. Oh, tingnan mo may mountain. Oh. May volcano. Oh, it's a volcano. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that. Ooh. Ang galing naman, di ba? Look at that. Adventure. Wow! Ang layo na narating natin, ah.
Come on, you're okay.
Takot si Kayla.
Come on.
Look at that! It's so pretty! We can walk on the beach! It's magic. Deep water, I know. We're on the beach. Is that cool? Look at that. Ooh. Look at that.
Ice is
It's so beautiful.
dancing.
I know, it's beautiful. Hello, my family.
It's like icebergs.
Hello.
It's like mini icebergs.
You walk all the way from there. It's all usually water. Look at that. It's so
Now we're in
pretty.
very deep water. This is actually a great spot to go ice fishing.
Oh, that's so
Only
cool.
if we had a drill.
Look at that water. Ooh, we're in a deep water right now. So pretty.
Oh my gosh. Mine, did you know that icebergs are really thick? So they don't melt?
Yeah, they're sumasayaw sila, ate.
Yeah, they're
Dancing snow. Ah, nice. Dancing snow.